Good morning, class. This is Sir Emilio T. Tare Jr. and welcome to our mathematics class. Today's learning objective is to identify the patterns generated by arithmetic sequence, find the common difference, and find the next few terms. First, let's have this activity to paternity and beyond. Observe the pattern and supply the next terms. So we have here 17, 21, 25, 29, 33. So what can you observe happens from 17 to 21? Did the change that occurred to 17 to 21 also happen to 21 and 25? Is it also applicable to 25 and 29? And that observation, is it also applicable to 29 to 33? If so, what will be the next term? Very good. 37. Followed by what number? Very good. 41. Next to 41 is 45. Very good. Next to 45 is 49. Very good. Now, next to 49 is what? 50. Very good. And so on. So, as you can see, we still have many blanks on our scarf, many numbers to supply, and I want you to perform it on your own. Complete it on your own so that you can be exercised. Now, let's think of this. How did you find the pattern from the previous activity? 17 to 21, 21 to 25, 25 to 29, and etc. What did you do to get the missing terms? How do we find 37, 41, 45? What did we do? And last, what do you think is called on this kind of sequence? Okay, so today's lesson is about arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence of numbers which increases or decreases by a constant amount of term. So, constant amount yung term, meaning to say, iisa lang yung changes or iisang number lang yung na-add or sinusubtract sa bawat term. Kaya, ang arithmetic sequence, pwede siyang mag-increase, pwede din siyang decrease. Hindi pwedeng both. Now, that common difference or that constant is called common difference. This constant is called the common difference and denoted by B. So whenever we see a symbol B, it means common difference. Next, let's have this warm-up activity to warm up our week. Complete the verb, observe the arithmetic sequence, find the common difference, and find the missing terms. So first, let's have this worm. 9, 12, 18, blank, blank, and blank. What do you think the common difference is? Very good. The common difference is 6. And how do we found 6? We subtract 12 by 6 and check if it matches 18 minus 12. So both of these are 6. So if the common difference is 6, what do you think is the next two terms or next three terms of our sequence? Very good. 24. Next is 30. And last is 36. So that's are the missing terms of our sequence. Next, we have, as you observe here, the first and second term are missing unlike the first one. But we have the third, fourth, fifth. So from that, let's work from that. What is the common difference? When you subtract 6 by 9, what will be the difference? Negative 3, very good. And how about 3 minus 6? Very good. Same as 6 minus 9, so negative 3. So if we have negative 3 as the common difference of this sequence, what do you think will be the sixth term? It will be 3 plus negative 3, which is what? 0, very good. How about the second term? Basing on the third term, if we subtract to get the sixth term, now we will add to get the second term from the third term. Or sorry, if we subtract to get the sixth term, we need to deduct negative 3 from 9 to get the second term. So how do we do that? So it will be 9 minus negative 3, which is equal to 12, very good. And from 12, we will deduct negative 3 which is equal to 15. Okay, so now the second sequence is complete. Let's proceed to the third one. We have here 21, 12, 3, and so on. We have 3 blank or 3 missing terms on this sequence. So we will just get the common difference by subtracting the second term by the first term, which is 12 minus 12 minus 21, which is equal to what? Negative 9. How about 3 minus 12? Equal to what? Very good, 9. So we can conclude here that the common difference is negative 9. So from that, from our third term, let's get our fourth term. So 3, let's add negative 9 to it. It will be negative 6. We have negative 6. Then from negative 6, let's add negative 9. The fifth term will be negative 16. And last is from negative 15, let's add another negative 9, which will be equal to negative 21. Okay, so I hope you're learning. Before we proceed to our last example. So last one, we have 8 over 11, 27 over 22, and 19 over 11. So as you can see, we have here a sequence of dissimilar fraction. So to get the missing terms, let's find first the common difference. So let's subtract 27 over 22 by 8 over 11. So 27 over 22 minus 8 over 11. Can we deduct them? Not yet. Why? Because the denominators are not similar. So let's get the LCD first, which is, what do you think is the LCD of these two fractions? Very good, 22. So we will just copy the denominator of our first fraction or the second term because it's already has a denominator of 22, and divide the denominator or the LCD 22 by 11, which is equal to 2, and multiply it by 8. So 2 times 8 is 16. Now we can subtract them. So 27 minus 16 is what? 27 minus 16 is 11 over 22. Or let's reduce it on its lowest term. The final answer would be 1/2. Now let's try 19 over 11 minus the second term, third term minus the second term, 27 over 11. So, sorry, 22. So, just like the first one, we need to get the LCD. So, what the LCD is just the same of the first set of fractions. So 22, and we will just copy 27 over 22 because it already has a denominator of 22. Now we will divide 22 by 11 to convert 19 over 11 to a fraction with 22 as a denominator. So 22 divided by 11 is 2 times 19 is 38. And 38 minus 27 is 11 over 22, which is also equal to 1/2. Now, from 19 over 11, we will add 1/2 because, as we observe, the common difference is 1/2. So 19 over 11 plus 1/2. The LCD of these two fractions is 22. So 38 over 22 for this one, and the second one will be 11 over 22. So this will be 47 over 22. So 47 over 22 After 47 over 22, let's add 1/2 from that fraction. We will just copy 47 over 22 plus 11 over 22, which is equal to what? Very good. 58 over 22. So from 58 over 22, that's just another 11 over 22 for the sixth term. It will be 69 over 22. 68 over 22 can be reduced as 29 over 11. So that's it. I hope you learned something today. That would be all. Again, this is Sir Emilio Titare Jr. and if you have any concerns, please feel free to chat me on my Facebook account. Bye-bye!